Learn to leave your car and motorcycle headlights as new by following these simple steps. The technique is simple and uses ingredients that you probably already have at home, which makes it economical and effective. To begin, we need a bar soap. It can be any soap you usually use to bathe, since these are made from glycerin, which helps clean and polish surfaces. Choose the color and aroma you prefer. With a knife, cut the soap into small portions and place them in a glass container. The next ingredient is toothpaste. This must be a regular toothpaste, not gel. Toothpaste contains soft abrasives that help remove dirt and residues from headlights. Add a generous amount of toothpaste to the container along with the soap. Now we will take an orange or lime. These fruits contain citric acid, which is excellent for cleaning and degreasing. Squeeze the orange juice or lime in the container with the other ingredients. Stir well until the ingredients are fully integrated. Citric acid, along with glycerin and toothpaste abrasives, will form a powerful solution to clean headlights. The last ingredient we will add is a tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda is an excellent cleaner that helps remove difficult spots and deodorize. Incorporate the baking soda into the mixture and stir well until you get a thick and homogeneous paste. With our solution ready, it's time to try it. Here we have a motorcycle whose headlights are very yellow and opaque. First, place a piece of insulating tape in the middle of the headlight to mark the difference between before and after. Use a cloth to apply the mixture to the headlight screen. Rub with circular and constant movements. You will notice how the opacity begins to disappear and the headlights regain their transparency. It is important to be patient and make sure to cover the entire surface of the headlight. Once you have rubbed well with the mixture, pass the cloth again, this time wet in clean water, to remove any excess of the solution. Finally, dry the headlight with a paper towel to prevent watermarks. Notice the difference. The treated side of the headlight should look much clearer and cleaner compared to the untreated side. This method is not only effective, but also economical, as it uses common ingredients that you can find at home. With these simple steps, you can keep your car and motorcycle headlights as new, improving not only their appearance, but also their functionality and safety on the road.